My Binondo food trip in 90 seconds this year 2025. First up, we drop at Chuanki, the oldest fast food in Binondo, Manila. Since 1940, we ordered beef makimi, noodle soup, Chinese kikiam, and hakaw. All for that for only 400 plus pesos. Meat is tender, the pasta is not soggy, and the soup taste is good for me. The soup was served in hot, a very comforting food. Every meal was so good. Next, the hakaw comes with chili, toyo mansi is the bomb. And the kikiam is also good. It's very different from the usual kikiam that we always try. Next up is a fried xiaolongbao of Eng Bitin. I like this one, always served in hot. Comes with mild spicy sauce and budget meal, that's why it's worth to try. Next up is the original Shanghai fried siopaw since 1985. Always served in hot, fluffy buns. The fillings is mixed with meat and veggies, and the taste is good for me. Next up is the T Brothers, where they serve steamed ube asado siopaw, lava custard pao, and choco lava pao. My favorite, the ube asado siopaw with lots of meat, and always love the taste. Must try also the custard and the choco pao. Not too sweet for me and fluffy buns. Take a sip and cool down with fresh natural sweet sugar cane juice. No added sugar for only 100 pesos. Grab one here in Veggie Select. See you guys for the next Binondo food trip.